Hello, my name's Mark Force. I'm the training manager at Elfview Library Software. Today, as part of our cataloging series, we're going to discuss control files. Our manual states control files are a special area of Elfview where financial, statistical, and other important information about the collection is stored. Great. Well, this is true, of course, but what does that mean for a typical librarian or a media specialist? Let's look at control files from a cataloging point of view. More information on control file features can be found in the Elfview documentation or the control file video tip. We're currently in acquisitions, but what we're discussing here is applicable to materials in the library file as well. Control files are over in the main section of the item record. If you were to click in, for instance, loan type, a pop-up appears showing you the various the various loan types that you have in your collection. Selecting one of these items from this list will enter that information in the field and also bring up the loan type name. This in case it's fiction. If you're keyboard oriented, of course you can use the keyboard, the arrow keys on your keyboard, as well as the first letter to jump to that control file value, and hitting the return key will actually enter it into there. Now the loan type is pretty important in Elfview. In fact, in my opinion, it's the most important control file. Loan type has some special attributes. One of them is it contains the circulation period for that loan type. In other words, materials when circulated will look at the loan type circulation period to calculate the due date of that item. Loan type is also used, optionally, to be part of the local call number. Loan types are also used for partial inventories. They're also used for circulation statistics by loan type, and so on and so forth. Let's look at the media. Media, or general material description, is the attribute of the item, whether it's a paperback, which also includes soft cover materials, hardcover, kit, map, film strip for people who remember film strips. And all you need to do is select that value, or once again, if you're keyboard oriented, use the keys on your keyboard to select those values. Department is for people who want to have some extra control over their collection for reporting or statistical purposes. In this case, you can see things such as miscellaneous, music, and another feature about your departments is they can have a hidden attribute. In other words, they won't show up in opaque searches. Textbooks, for instance, those items won't show up in opaque searches, as well as equipment. These are the main control files. Happy cataloging, and have a great day.